We all know space is silent, right? Well, NASA changed that. In 2022, they released the actual sound of a black hole. But how? Space has no air, so sound can't travel. But in the Perseus galaxy cluster, there's gas, and that gas carries waves. NASA translated those waves from data into audible sound, and the result is terrifying. That deep, ghostly hum is 250 million light-years away from a black hole, 1,000 times bigger than the one at our galaxy's center. So it's not sound like we hear on Earth, it's a form of data sonification, turning pressure waves into frequencies we can hear. So yes, in the right conditions, black holes do sing. You just need the right ears to listen.